just a box sitting there.
Bigger.
Oh, it's you. Hi, Willy.
Hi, Daddy.
What do you got there?
There's a box. There's something in it. Can you see it?
I do.
Okay. Can you cut out?
Let's see what you got.
This thing. Card box.
What?
And there's
What's that?
it's my things.
Let me see that.
Water spray out. Is that water spray?
You got an Aqua animal with water action. It's a toothbrush holder. Yeah, you put your toothbrush inside it. You got a whale and you got a pig. You got 2 toothbrush holders. Let's see. Oops.
Oh.
Let me help you.
Wow. School buses.
Look at that. Is that Tayo?
Huh?
That's Tayo, the bus.
Who's
It's the
tired?
little bus Tayo. You got a yellow one, a blue one, and a green one.
Wow. Baby. Whoa. It's here. Oh my gosh.
Wow, those are nice.
Schoolie buses. Schoolie buses.
You got it.
Alice, you do.
That's a cool schoolie bussy. Let's see,
Okay.
what color is that one?
It's blue.
That's a blue one? Wow. What color is that bus?
It's green and blue and yellow.
Nice. And that is the little garage where you park the bus. I think it's where you park it. Put the bus inside there. Let's see what happens. I think you launch it. Put it in there. Oh, okay, push it in harder. Oh yeah, there you go. Need help?
Yeah.
Here's the blue one. And here's the yellow one. Now where do these go? These go up here. Right up there. I think they go up there. Yeah, they go up there. Alright, Will, we got the 3 Tayo buses set up. And let's have them race. You ready? Go.
Uh-oh. A traffic jam.
Uh-oh. That's definitely a traffic jam right there.
Yeah. And the car little from the zombie.
That's not a zombie.
He is a zombie.
Alright, Willy. You ready to crash them?
Yeah, run! Oh, they crashed. They crashed. There's someone behind you.
Who? Oh, it's you.
Me.
You gonna take out your toothbrush holder? Your Aqua animal pig?
You can peek it if you want, so you can get out. Here it is. Here it is. It has. What does it?
So you put your toothbrush inside it.
How?
Go get your toothbrush and I'll show you. Oh, hey, it matches the pig. It's the same color. Alright, let's open this.
How we open it?
That's definitely not how to open it. Let me see that again. Wait a minute. How do you open it? Oops. Alright. Here, wait. Let me try it. So you're brushing the pig's teeth? That's nasty. Did you figure out how to get it open?
Yes.
Come on.
Come on.
I think it opens from the top. Oh wait, oh you got it. Okay, now put your toothbrush inside.
We'll see what happens to it.
Nice. You want to go fill it with water and see it, watch it squirt? Let's go fill it with water and see what it does.
Daddy, this is not a pig, it's an elephant. Look.
Oh, that's an elephant?
Yeah, you forgot that.
I thought it was a pig.
Whoa.
Oh look, it's coming out of its elephant trunk. That's pretty cool.
Whoa.
Way too much water. Try it now. Try it now.
Woo. Hey, don't record him. Hi, Daddy.
Hey Willy, you got some balloons?
A different color.
Wow.
Quest on. See the whole city of the mountain. Woo.